your girl Stella here, and we just got a package in the mail. And the other side got my address on it, so I can't even show y'all. All right, so just got it in from the mail. Let me see here. All right, let's see here. We ordered some pictures to go on the wall right behind me or whatever. So we got some pictures from Mixtiles, and I want to kind of show y'all what they look like. All right, so let's kind of get this camera better situated here. All right, so y'all know I don't do a whole bunch of editing and all that different kind of stuff, so just bear with me, okay? All right, so let's see what they ended up looking like. Hopefully we don't have any damage or anything, and I want to show y'all straight out of the package, okay? Straight out of the package. Oh my God, they look amazing. Oh my God, the first one that I see looks amazing, y'all. Look at there. Can y'all see it? Oh my gosh, look at it. It looks amazing. All right. Oh my God, I hope y'all can really see it. What I'm gonna do. Oh my God, it looks so good. Okay, give me a second. Let me see if I can get just a little better lighting for you all. Let's see. All right, can we see a little bit better now? Can we see just a little bit better? Okay, so we just got in our packages from Mixtiles, okay? So I want to show y'all up close what they actually look like, all right? So that was like take 2, okay? So hopefully y'all able to see it a little bit better, all right? So these are the pictures. Let me walk up. All right. Now, that's the look that I have. All right. It looks so good. Okay. It looks so good. All right. Now, all right. So let me show y'all. All right. They look so good. I am so impressed, okay? Let's walk up. All right. Okay, so on these, I got these because it's the peel, the stick, you know what I'm saying? And I like that about these. And they're so light. So if you got, you know, you don't want to do any reeling and stuff like that, these are perfect, okay? Let me show y'all the little magnet and stuff on the back, all right? Y'all see that? And that's a pretty good magnet, all right? So, all right. That's how they came out. They turned out so good. And I ended up getting this black around here, black matte. And I ended up getting this in like a cream shade to kind of match, okay? And show y'all what everything kind of looks like after my son puts it all up this evening, okay? I've been working because it has been keeping me occupied. All right? So, and this is the last one. All right? So, this is the last one. All right, and I got these from Mixtiles. I actually got them on sale. I got them when they had a 42% off sale, and then I got upset because the next day afterwards they ran a 50% off sale, and I was like, dang, I could have got them for even cheaper. So, all right, and so they're going to be going on the wall, and later on today I'll show you all what they're going to look like and how it looks in the lighting at night, okay? All right, it's your girl Stella. Stay tuned. I'll be back.
How look now?
Perfect. We got Trey the baby in the house. All right, y'all. So let me show y'all my new dish set. Look at that. I actually thought this was gonna be. I was kind of skeptical because I was like, is this gonna be flimsy or what? But y'all, it is actually really heavy. All right. really heavy. Let me try to get it back centered. These are glasses. I got these for $3 from TJ Maxx, y'all. $3 a piece. This little set, I actually got it from my aunt before she passed. She left me with this or what have you. So I put it on my table because I'm just like that. That's just the way I'm built. All right. So I got some other little champagne, some other little wine glasses and stuff like that on the table. I have linen napkins. Like a linen table runner, and I got it going the opposite way, not going across the long way. I have a sheer over this, over the linen tablecloth. So I have a linen under here, a cream linen, and then a sheer champagne on the top of it. And I just got some different fabrics going on here. Okay, y'all, so this is kind of the finished product with adding the pictures to the wall, and I have some lighting that's more like a warm color that kind of give the room kind of that warm color. I'm kind of new to this whole decorating thing, y'all, so give me some pointers if you got some. If it's something else you think I should change about the room, add a little more or something like that. But y'all, please keep it easy on the drilling and stuff like that, because I'm not that savvy yet. Hopefully I get around to it. But this is what I actually put together, y'all. That chair, never mind that chair. I'm working on something for that chair with my mom, y'all. I'm just getting my whole creative flow going. Tell me what you think and what I can add that will really make this room pop. All right. And this is kind of how it looks through the day. So pictures up there. I think we did pretty good. And y'all, I just love my dishes. What y'all think of the dishes? I got these from Little White Dish. I just fell in love with the little soup bowls. I fell in love with that. Right. So that's how we looking through today, y'all.